Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum Classic Coin. 2 or 3 days back, on 27th of June, I shared an idea at the Patreon in which I mentioned that the price action of Ethereum Classic has completed another bullish reversal pattern, the harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And let me show you the idea. This was the chart that I shared at the Patreon for my members. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description you can find there. And here I am also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis you will find. Okay, this was the chart, and I'm just going to play the chart for you to show you how the chart behaved even in this bearish market as well. And you can see that this was the link for the chart that I shared currently, and this pattern was formed against the Bitcoin in the Bitcoin market. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action turned bullish, and you can see it has rallied up to this level, up to 0.001750, up to here. And this is the sell zone I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence, and this pattern has been formed on the weekly time frame. And this is the first bullish candlestick. And if I take you to the live daily time frame chart, then this is the rally against the US dollar. And we can see that this rally was more than, to show you, more than 94%, a big rally. But the previous rally was a very massive. Let me show you that move as well. That was a big bullish bad pattern. And this was the chart that I shared on 21st of March, and this is the link for the chart. And I also shared a video with you guys as well, not on the current move, on the previous move. This was the move when it completed this harmonic move here and here as well. And I was predicting up to $50, but it rallied even up to $180. And you can see that this was at the bullish bad pattern against the Bitcoin, and I'm just going to play the chart. You can see at that time it was moving at 0.000239 BTC, and after playing the chart we can see that it turned really very strong bullish, and it rallied up to 0.00316 Bitcoins. That was more than 1300%. Very massive big rally. Now if we move and on the live daily time frame chart, here we can see that the price action of Ethereum Classic has broken out the 100 simple moving average. This red one is the 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart. And this is a big achievement for the price action, because the 100 simple moving average is a very strong resistance as well. And you can see previously it was it just broke down the 50 and the 100 and moved very close to the 200 simple moving average, moved up and broke out the 100, and now it is retesting the 100 simple moving average as a support. At the same time, we also had a very strong resistance of $50 that is now working as a support, and the price action is retesting the 100 simple moving average and the $50 support level at the same time. You can see previously $50 support level was breaking here as a resistance, and here it has been breaking as a support. Here it has been breaking as a support, and now again here it is breaking as a support. Previously it was breaking as a resistance. Now we have more than 94% rally, and the price action has achieved the sell targets as I defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bad pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And my members who are following me at the Patreon, most of them who followed this idea are in profit. But now we want to see that where the price action can move. We can see that on the weekly time frame chart, we also had a very good support of EMA 21 as well. If you take a look at the Bitcoin chart, the Bitcoin is moving under the EMA 21 weekly, but the Ethereum Classic against the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame chart had very nice bounce recently by this EMA 21 weekly and moving to the upside. And now at the daily time frame chart, the price action is moving between the $60 resistance and the $50 support level. Then we have the next resistance at $84, and this one, the $140, is our final resistance. And from $84 resistance to $140 resistance, we don't have any significant resistance. Like we have the minor resistance here, approximately at 100 or $105, but you can see that we don't have any significant resistance up to $140. Once the price action will manage to cross up this $84 resistance level, then there can be an imminent move up to $140. At this time, the Ethereum Classic, among all the altcoins, is a long runner, and you can see all the altcoins, some of them are moving sideways, and today we have a very bearish move among the altcoins, but the Ethereum Classic is still moving at $53 above this support. Once the price action will be able to cross up this 50 simple moving average and 60, then we can expect that it can attempt to break out this very major resistance level at $84. And it has been working as a support here and as a resistance here, and now it is again working as a resistance. Then an imminent move up to $140 can be expected. But this support of 100 simple moving average and the $50 support level should be saved, because if the price line will be not able to save these supports, you can see at this time it is retesting these supports, then again the $50 and the 100 simple moving average can again work as a strong resistance for the price action. I'll definitely share more updates on Ethereum Classic with you guys in coming few days. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, you can find here. I've shared the link in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.